Hey everybody's Boss Lady Merch, and today, I do a lot of things with AI and ChatGPT. It's my jizz, okay? So today I'm going to show you how to automate your job search. So instead of you going to all these job boards, let the job boards come to you, okay? So you want to go to ChatGPT. You want to go to up here where it says schedule. You want to do a schedule for the job. So if you're looking for a certain kind of job, then you type in that certain kind of job, like mine, customer service remote. So I'm looking for remote customer service jobs. So I would type in remote customer service jobs, and then I tell it give me 5 to 10 daily at 8 a.m. So I got that done, right? Then I wanted to make me a Google sheet, so I said make a Google for the jobs that are found so I can keep track. Okay, so what it's going to do, it's going to find these jobs for you, and it's going to make you a Google sheet at the same time. So you might have to sign into Google, and come up if you got to do it, and then you just hit send, and that's it. See right here it says daily remote CS job, daily next run in 20 hours. I already have mine in. So let's go look and see what we have here. So here goes some job searches right here. I had told it to do 10 in a day. It couldn't find 10, so I said 5 to 10. So make sure you spread it out. Don't say like a number like 10. Say 5 to 10 or something a day. So that then you can get what they have. So they gave me this one right here. They gave me this mutual mobile one. They gave me the Conduit one, and they gave me the Luminaire Help. Also, when you put it in there, make sure you put only legit jobs that have websites and phone numbers and an address. So that way they give you just the legit stuff. And y'all know how these job boards are, so make sure you add that too. So all these are legit. It's agility. Look, they found all this stuff. Some of them see it says Indeed. So a lot of them come up Indeed. Some of them don't. If they just say apply, they don't come from Indeed. Okay, so basically it does that daily at 8 a.m. and then it will add it to my Google sheet. So let's pop on over to Google sheet, to my job tracker. Okay, so these are the ones I did yesterday, and I said apply, because I applied to all of them yesterday. Let me refresh this. Okay. Yeah, I did apply to all these yesterday, so you can change it to apply so you can keep track. But I do not see ones for today. It asked me, can it update? Yes. Update my Google. I thought it was automatic. I'm telling you, do it automatically. Because I probably never told it to do it automatically. And I'm like, where's the ones for today? I can't spell. Okay. Automatically. So I'm going to have it update automatically. Alright. Because I didn't program that in yesterday. Tell them to do it automatically. My bad. Okay. Okay, it's going to update the task. Done. From now on, daily 8 a.m. jobs will also be added to the day's verified jobs. Only my tracker automatically is not confirmed, because I'm not going to confirm them until I actually do them. So let's refresh. And still ain't added. So maybe it said because of now on one. Okay, I'm gonna say add these jobs for today. So it probably starts tomorrow. So I just gonna tell it to add it because it said it added starting tomorrow. Okay. So I'm gonna make it added for today. So tomorrow I do it automatically. Then all I gotta do is I can either just go to the remote thing or look on ChatGPT, see what they gave me for daily. But every day it should be on my Google Job Tracker with the links and everything, so I can pop over if I want to pop over that way. It should be on there. And I will put the resumes in those. I think one of them was on there yesterday, so we might not do it by one. I think it's the same one. But we can see once it gets on the sheet. So what it's doing is putting it on your Google sheet, because you got to connect to your Google, and it's going to ask me allow. And I'm going to change this from allow once. They don't have no choice. Always allow. Here it is. Put it on always allow. That way that won't pop up, because you want it to go straight there. So that'd be cool. But we forgot to do that yesterday. And then it just say open from right here. And you can open it on this side. Ooh, I can open it from here. Hey, I don't have to go all the way over to this, but I can open it from here. But that's where they just put the ones on there that I just got. Or I can look over here, and there they are right here. These not confirmed ones are the ones I haven't put the applications in yet. Bum bum bum. But I think I did this one yesterday. Is it the same one? Yeah, it looks like the same one. Yeah. So we're gonna delete that row, cause that's the same one we did. This one. So I'm gonna delete that row. Alright. All these, I think we did this one too. Yeah, it's up here. So that was the same one from yesterday. Let me see. Wait a minute. Let me make sure it's the same. No, that's a whole different one, because it says healthcare inbound. This one said call center, so we'll leave that one. So this comes in handy, so you keep track of what you apply for. And if you get interviews, so you got the interview button, the rejection button. Hey, you know you're going to get rejected. Then you keep track, so you won't be duplicating the same stuff over again and all that jive. So I love automating my job search. So automate your job search, and then if you want to pick up something to help you with your resume, you can go to my AI business in the bot, and down here I have a resume playbook somewhere in here. I have a resume playbook. It's in here somewhere. Right here, playbook for resumes, and you can get that. And if you click view and you hit this little arrow, you can see the table of contents. So it's going to help you tailor your resume to a job, quantify your impact, write magnetic summary, optimize for ATS, because they're using bots to check your resumes. You got to have your resumes ATS qualified for each job. You might have to. What I do, I just take the qualifications, go back to ChatGPT, and tell ChatGPT to insert the qualifications for this particular job, give me a PDF, print out, and then I have another PDF to upload for that particular job. Even though I'm qualified for the job, I want to use their keywords. So that's what I do. So that's something you can do. That's what I would do. Okay, so then it's second page, you highlight transferable skills, punch up weak bullet points, generate a cover letter, prep for interview. These are prompts that you're going to put in ChatGPT. Okay, this is not like it's going to do it for you. You take the prompt that they give you, and you take it over to ChatGPT and just stick it in there. Okay, it's $10 for these little playbooks that I have on here. So this is my AI business in the bot. I got some for teachers, school grade start. Y'all teachers, y'all want some of these modern classroom. Look, some of these prompts will check the freaking homework for you. Y'all better get automated, baby. So so anyway, what am I saying? So I got some for teachers. Come on, it's back to school. Y'all need these tools, baby. Okay, so this is one of them. So this one has the core toolkit, lesson planning in 10 minutes, grading and feedback automation. So you can grade them tests automatically. There you go, there you go. Your 30-day rollout plan, there you go. Yep. Y'all teachers. Yeah, y'all better make y'all life easy. Okay, so that's over there. So enjoy. I'll put the link in the description to come here if you want a playbook. But just follow my little tips on job search. Make your job search automated on ChatGPT. What are y'all doing? Ball Lady merge out.